Once you've written your essay and you think you're ready to submit it, then there's a few things that we need you to do in terms of formatting that essay. So the first thing we need you to do is to embed the checklist in the beginning of your essay. So if you go to the checklist, you can then just copy that entire table from the checklist and put it into your own document. So if you keep it as, keep the source formatting, and then just make sure that your essay starts on a new page. So you might have to delete a page in there. So there we go. So we've got the first page is the essay checklist, and then the document starts after that. What we then need you to do is to fill out that form. So you can put in your student number, for example. You can copy the title of your essay and put it into the document, and then what we need you to do is to go through and to just put these as yes or no answers. So have we got the assignment checklist on the front page? Yes, yes we have. Have we got the title, student number and module number in the header on the first page of the essay? Well, at the moment, no, I haven't, so we need to go back and to put that in there. So one of the things that we've put in this checklist is to put line numbers and page numbers throughout your document. This is important because when your tutor's writing comments about that, they'll need to be able to refer to the sentence on line 17 or the last paragraph on page 2. So it really helps them out in terms of being able to describe your document accurately. So what you want to do is to go to the Layout tab within Word. And you'll see there's various different options there. And one of the options is for line numbers. So if we just go to the first page of the essay and put in line numbers and put in continuous, then that's putting line numbers in throughout. It doesn't matter if it doesn't start at 1, so here it's not actually starting until 3 for some reason. It doesn't matter as long as there are line numbers down the side of the page so that your tutor is able to refer to those. So the other thing we need you to do is to put page numbers in your document. So the easiest way to do that is if you double click in the footer area, so at the bottom of your page, if you double click, then the footer thing will come up, and then there's an option for page numbers on the left hand side. So click down page numbers, put page numbers bottom of page. You can put them anywhere we like, we don't really mind, so I'll put them on the right hand side, and there we've got page numbers have now appeared in the document, so we can just click close the header and footer, and now we've got both line numbers and page numbers within the document. So we're now in a position that we can say yes to both of those questions. So you need to go through and make sure that you've done everything that it says in the checklist. Then at the bottom of it, we're asking you to think, what mark do you feel the assignment deserves based on the assessment criteria? So those are available on Canvas. We want you to put in the mark that you think that your essay deserves at the moment. So we want to self-assess your work. So for example, I might think that this essay is currently worth 62. Then we need to just put your signature in. So it's okay to just type your name in there and then just put the date in there. When you're ready, then you can save that file. So make sure you saved it. So if you have your tutorial essay formatted, for example, okay, so you can tell which version you're working with. But then in order to upload it to Canvas, it needs to be saved as a PDF. So if you go to File, Save As, put it in the current folder, and then rather than putting it as a Word document, in this drop-down menu here, you can say it as PDF document. Okay. There are various different options in there that you might want to change, but probably you'll just need the defaults. And if you click Save, then it will save it as a PDF, and that's the version that we need you to upload into Canvas. So it needs to be a PDF version at that point. So in order to format it properly for submission, you need 4 things. You need the checklist at the front page, you need page numbers, you need line numbers, and you need it saved as a PDF. Once you've done all of those, you'll be ready to upload it to Canvas.